1,000 students taken the longest art competition on free, fair and peaceful election and ethical voting. Speaker Lokeshwar says interests of a community must not jeopardize other communities, appeals to UNC to end the blockade. MLA Biswajit appeals to BJP supporters not to agitate over unofficial list of candidates. And Chauba Devi and Sankar Manthapa win women's and men's title respectively at Republic Day half marathon run. Hello and welcome to Impact News. You're watching Primetime English News. I'm Lighting Monica with the latest news updates. The longest art competition for school and college students in Manipur was held this morning in the heart of Imphal city. The 1.5-kilometer long art competition on the theme Free, Fair and Peaceful Election and Ethical Voting was jointly organized by Chief Electoral Officer Manipur, Editors Guild Manipur and Neojin from the northern gate of the Kangla till a few meters short of the southern gate opposite the Nupilal complex. The medium of the painting was spray painting and acrylic on flex canvas. Around 1,000 students took part in the competition organized to create awareness on free, fair and peaceful election and ethical voting among the people in connection with the upcoming 11th Manipur Legislative Assembly elections. Joint CEO Manipur Rishikesh Mudak said every passerby on the road was curious about the event. He said the competition aimed at creating more awareness among the voters. The paintings will be used in sieved campaigns.
One has to shoot a selfie video less than under 1 minute on a theme of ethical voting, and they have to post it on our Facebook page. We will judge that video on the basis of maximum likes. So it's like a popular voting, maximum shares, and of course there would be the quality also would be judged by the judges. Then we are coming up with a short film competition which would be between 5 to 10 minutes film, wherein a film has to be shot on the theme of again ethical and informed voting. On 25th of January, we are celebrating National Voters Day in a city convention center. We appeal to all the citizens to widely participate into this event. In this function, the prize winners of mini competition will be felicitated. New voters will be given epic card.
The competitors attempted to express their ideas of ethical voting through their paintings. Their responses to our query showed that the competition served its purpose.
Election pangthok matamda ingna chikna masung niyom chumna pangthok na bagidama aina agi motagi idea khara pizana bagdamakta yaujabane
isada talent lehngnaba sung mayam marakta tillaga participate toraga election gi matang je corruption tokdabida asumba lambida paisa pi dabi khotabida oina thadaba khopagi dum kano them doina tokjabane ai
vote ki maramda mingonda awareness piningba hadi achumba do thadabina ba go ba vote thada matamda koi choose to doi leader do karma leader da thadani kamai toni haba doi matang da thim do adugi matang da exaban
vote je khoi gi niyom chumna thadabi ba government je khoi gi afaba khanba adum me niyom chumna tomina si haibagi makai da thamjani
akhoi gi manipur da janeba vote ki matam da senja thamja taw je sum ya haning da ba sum thokning ba adugum do ai mota gi sum thokning ba do sum yek thok janing ba
painting ye kwa sum ba ase yam pamjeiba election mai leinai sige yeiba poje free and fair id thamoi sengna khoi corruption yaudana vote se thada si tausi ha se thimdina laisina uthokwan
handa laktoi election je sida niyom chungna aphabi candidate khannaba ai wakhalon putho yekpa.
Speaker T.H. Lokeshwar today asserted that the interest of a particular community must not jeopardize other communities living together in the state. He appealed to the UNC to end its indefinite economic blockade. The speaker was addressing a women's political conference organized by Hengang Block Mahila Congress Committee at Laipam Kunau, Mitong, Lampak. He said Manipur can achieve development only when all the constituencies achieve development. Lokeshwar stated that if the development activities in a constituency affects the well-being of the people of the neighboring constituency, it is necessary to reconsider the development activities in the constituency. President of Manipur Pradesh Mahila Congress Committee, L. Tilotama, in her speech, stressed the role of women in resolving issues and bringing harmony and development in the state.
United Naga Council UNC. Jati abagaki aning banatraga magi apamado phangnabi damakta masai jati bawa isai jati jagat jati pun nama cita kayak wage aina maram warga mi manga tu bat tunggu tu di aina pani tu thamu tu tu bermi apa am tu pangan budu neba aduga aku iman lewat Manipur se kam teng wara bani wabi mata kam teng wara bat tangga sida ngasi aku wari pun nama sense aina ye kendra as whole kendra umbu sida aina kendra se si thabok thabok mata na thangna kendra wagi ni ko Betul thangna kendra masih mai hau ni ko hai betar kadi aina tahu dah thabok tu Fatana nena talai betar kadi ne thangna kendra mai chawe
Around 1,000 women of Kiamgai held a rally today at Kiamgai area in Kairao. The rally was organized by Congress supporters to seek people's vote for Congress in the 11th Assembly elections. Police continued to conduct cordon and search operations in several parts of the state ahead of the Republic Day celebration and seized licensed gun during an operation today. A team of Imphal West Police under the supervision of Additional SP Operation Dr. S. Ibomcha along with Singjamai SDPO A. Devananda and DSP Rochit Irom cordoned off and searched Singjamai Liwa Lambi area this morning around 6:30. Police conducted door-to-door search and verified the people and gun licenses. The police picked up 5 guns including 3 double-barrel gun and 2 small arms. Meanwhile, a team of Imphal East Police under the supervision of DSP Commando Robinson and DSP Operation RK Saklemba conducted cordon and search operation from 5 a.m. till 7 a.m. at Machalaima Road near Palace Compound today. Unidentified miscreant shot dead a person last night around 8 in Solung under Saparmania police station in Kangpopi district. The deceased has been identified as Kamjang Haukib, 46 years, son of late Nongsai Haukib of Gamnom, Saparmania. Sources said Kamjang Haukib worked at Chulau farm in Saparmania and lived with his wife and 5 sons. No one has yet claimed responsibility. Systematic Voters Education and Electoral Participation Campaign Committee met yesterday with District Election Officer Thawbal M. Joy in the chair yesterday. The meeting decided to hold campaign on free, fair and peaceful election and ethical voting in various parts of the district. Election Commission has seized over 83 crore rupees cash from the 5 poll-bound states of Uttar Pradesh, Punjab, Goa, Manipur and Uttarakhand. An official release says the Commission has seized over 79 crore rupees from Uttar Pradesh, 4 crore from Punjab, 33 lakh from Uttarakhand and around 7 lakh rupees from Manipur. Election Commission has seized more than 7 lakh litres of liquor from these poll-bound states worth around 12 crore 6 lakh rupees. The Commission has also seized more than 1,400 kilogram of drugs and narcotics worth more than 10 crore 30 lakh rupees. General Secretary of BJP Manipur Pradesh Thongam Biswajit today appealed to the BJP supporters not to agitate over the news of the party's list of candidates which appeared in various local dailies. Speaking to media at the party's office at Nijai Pachutek, he said local dailies published that the BJP has announced its candidates for the upcoming assembly election based on their respective sources. Biswajit maintained that the party has not even announced the first list of candidates. The BJP leader said the parliamentary board meeting to select the candidates has just begun. Taking the opportunity of the press meet, he asserted that as the current government is not able to lift the economic blockade, the central government is working to bring about a solution.
BJP ki ticket piba matamda akhoi gi wathok amna chawkhale haibasi masigi akhoi gi Bharatiya Janata Party ki manungda noma gi akhoi gi akhoi mapangal kangkhalak panundu gi unity lerek panatana sigum gi wathok amata leite mi ani nium tanabada ama khaktani phangba yabasi aduna nuai tabad dum lerak pa yai amadugi tung kungi warini aduga akhoi gi Bharatiya Janata Party ju adugum baje handaki pibam se leiroi haibasi akhoi gi asetpa akhoi gi kanoni corruption gi sas haibasti akhoi ne anybody na ngasai gi lerio post de magi pen daba nadraga nuai tabadagi pangang de ngang ba yai yamna clean oina center na koi kaga daba afaba magi mioi aduga society gi damakta yeng kadaba ayamba maximum da oina mak tawraga silaga tawba ngakta ni
Supporters of BJP aspiring candidates who are likely to be denied the BJP ticket continue to storm the BJP office at Nijai Pachutek, expressing their disappointment and anger. This morning, supporters of aspiring candidates of 3 assembly constituencies tried to storm the office. The incident occurred around 11 a.m. when the irate workers marched towards the office shouting slogans. They were supporters of Maibam Dhanabir of Yanglam, Laisangthem Suresh of Thaubal and Laishram Kadamjit of Wangkhem. They also shouted slogans demanding tickets for them at the gate. However, a team of Imphal West Police kept a strict vigil to avoid untoward incident.
Mandalasida akanba thawai hakchang yauna senjaraga party sige akhoi Narendra Modi gi wakhalon si soidina Manipur su mangphangna gi akhoi gi state si so ba homom lakani habagi thajaba loinana sathar padum thajabadu Kangho the Bangarang Han Kogi, Ra, official and the Law, Tulti list kind of Posina. Bartigi ticks ideologic I should come the Pamada, ticket people are working possibility later in Hydro Pussy. Mandalamasum Basas and Punamak Tomoshona, why?
Tikesi, I quite Pirak Tavatagadi, I quite Tawal Kendra, the BJPC, Amohana, I quite Lehelaroi, BJPC Promutasa, I quite Congress, I quite Shamaksu Congress support or Gahana, I quite Tikesi Pirak Tragadi. Chapsaba period I mayam si leminaraga ne khoi ngasi lakchariba
aduga handaki wangkhem gi da ticket pibiriba akoi gi center dagi tholokpo oiro state dagi tholokpo oiro piriba ticket list je khidang mayamna praja singna penadabdagi ngasi tholaibi mandal gi maikai dagi thoidokba aini praja gi apamba haibadi praja na pamambado ngasai gi tawraktrabani madugi ona tainabada moi gi apamba satkiba natraga voting right mangan bani khangde york.
The first women's meeting to form BJP Morcha Konthausam constituency in connection with the 11th Assembly polls was held today at Konthausam, Mayai Lekai. BJP aspiring candidate Dr. Sapam Ranjan, former president of BJP Manipur Pradesh Mahila Morcha, R.K. Pramotini and BJP workers attended the meeting. The meeting discussed the active participation of women voters in the upcoming elections. Men and women workers of BJP along with spokesperson of BJP Manipur Pradesh R.K. Sivachandra today took out a rally in Kaisamthong today. The rally was held ahead of the assembly polls asking people's support for the party. Supporters of BJP aspiring candidate P. Dhana Kumar of Kaisamthong constituency today held a meeting at his residence. The meeting resolved to urge the party to review the list of candidates, though not official, appeared in newspapers and social media site at the earliest and choose the right candidates who will win the election. Mahila Morcha BJP Uripok Mandal today held a discussion program for women at Lairembi Mandap, Uripok Huidrom Lekai today. President of Mahila Morcha BJP Uripok Mandal Suniti Bala Ningthawzam said the program was held to raise awareness about the Prime Minister's various schemes and to strengthen the party to form the new government in the state. BJP Imphal West District today held a meeting for the workers and supporters of the BJP in connection with the upcoming assembly polls held at the residence of BJP Manipur Pradesh General Secretary Organization Mutum Dineshwar Mangangcha at Mongsangai, Mamang Lekai. BJP Manipur Pradesh spokesperson Dr. R.K. Ranjan along with party executive members and volunteers attended the meeting. Let's take a short break. We'll be back with more news updates.
To touch the pinnacles of success for your children, get enrolled to one of the finest schools in Northeast India, UNESCO School. Excellence in education.
World-class interventional cardiology at Sky Hospital, performing non-operative closure of hole in heart and RF ablation. Don't delay. Hurry for consultation with Chief Cardiologist Dr. L. Shamkishore for hole closure, RF ablation, coronary angioplasty requirement and other procedures like pacemaker, ICD, CRT, combo angiogram are also available.
Yumanungi application ki mapung fava solution piriba Durasign G6 sizinabiu. Durasign asi Tata Blue Scope Steel Limited ki flagship retail brand ni. Durasign liner ki khudong chaba sing di yumanungi amasung mapan ki application ki khwaidagi yang ba phanglang kupnaba. Yan thaba siling amasung phaklang khaidoknaba gi irai live solution pi. Panel sing ado phaiba amadi chap yung ba mai kai install to bayai. Durasign Tata Blue Scope Steel.
Beneath 100 meters from the Earth's surface, naturally filtered through saline stones, pure, clean and healthy water.
Welcome back. You're watching Primetime English News. CPI Local Council Wangjing Tintha held a meeting yesterday at Wangjing SK Maning Lekai. The meeting decided to fill a CPI candidate in Wangjing Tintha Assembly constituency and work for his success. The meeting also expressed dissatisfaction at the BJP denying its ticket to Yumnam Nabachandra of Wangkhem Kendra, a former UCM president. One-day political conference of Manipur National Democratic Front was held today to campaign for the party's candidate in Kaisamthong constituency, Yumnam Ramola of Kaisamthong Ilambam Lekai Community Hall. Leaders of the party who attended the conference urged the people to vote for the regional party. Former presidents of UNC in a press release said the UNC is a civil society organization of the Nagas in Manipur mandated to protect the land and rights of the Nagas in particular and the tribals in general. They said the 4 MOUs were signed between the government of Manipur and Naga organizations that creation of new districts would not be done without consulting the stakeholders. They also accused Chief Minister Ukrami Bobi Singh of neglecting the MOUs to create the 7 new districts. A team of Imphal West Police Commando yesterday arrested 4 cadres of underground outfit NSC and IM along with a huge quantity of explosives. They were arrested at Khongsang Bazaar in Noni district. The cadres has been identified as Y. Rakesh alias James alias Piktu, 28 years, son of Yambem Pisak of Thamaiban Hizam Diwan Lekai. Thamairngam Kasung alias Angamboy, 26 years, son of Ngarinme of Greenland and Ukrul. Ramray Sang, 22 years, son of Luinam Hongchui of Kachai village, Ukrul, and Lankung Lung, 18 years, son of late Gaigun Lung Kamei of Tamanglong, Ward number 3. The seized items included 58 detonators, 26-meter-long cortex wire, and a Tata truck bearing Nagaland registration number NL01A9772. Sources said the articles were handed over to them by an NSC and IM cadre identified as David. Sources also said the explosives were handed over to David by a non-Manipuri named Sanjoy who runs a shop in Tamanglong Bazaar. Sources also said police sources suspect that the explosives will be handed over to another NSC and IM cadre identified as Matthew Khongsang to be used in attack on security personnel engaged in ROP on Imphal-Ziribam National Highway. It may be mentioned that the suspected NSC and IM cadres have been firing at goods trucks coming towards Imphal during UNC's indefinite economic blockade. 1 person died while several others wounded in the attack. Police have intensified security measures along the road after the attacks. People today staged a sit-in at Mayang Imphal Bazaar against the firing of an election office opened in connection with the assembly elections. The firing at the office opened at the residence of Laishram Inaubi happened yesterday night around 11. A woman protester condemned the attack at public place.
अखोई मेरा पाबी थोक पने नुंदांग जिदा पुंग निपान मा पलंग ताबी कांग्रेस की मी नोमेन कापसलक पदे अखोई जे चोखा चोखा ताना रे अदे मोइना बीजेपी की ऑफिस नि हाइना तमना दुम चंगजलगा नोमे कापसलए मनुंग दुदा लेबे मी मियाम लै अदो मयाम जे चेंथोंना रे अदो काइगम चेंथोम दा तुमना बा मतम दो दि मी दे लोइन सिदुइनि असिना थोलक तिंगा दे नोमे कापजे तौबिदना बा आई हाइजरी थु मतम दा सि जिमिंग ताबिउ.
All India Tanzim-e-Insaf AITI today organized the first roundtable conference of all political parties to ensure a place for minority communities in ushering to an equal society. President of AITI Manipur State Council, Dr. Badaruddin, Working President Muhammad Altaf Hussain, representatives of NPP, Praja Party, Trinamool Congress, CPI-M, CPI-MSC, MNDF and JDU attended the conference held at Hotel Nirmala in MG Avenue. AITI National General Secretary Islauddin said the condition of Meitei Pangal, which is a minority community, is lagging behind when compared to other communities. He said people of the constituency do not get the benefits of several central and state-sponsored welfare schemes. Two-day convention on Paithai language sponsored by Sahitya Academy began today at Lamyan Basanglen in Palace Compound. Speaking at the event, Vice-Chancellor of Manipur University of Culture, Professor N. Khagendra, stressed the need to understand the history of the people. He said Manipur is the right place to start a center for South Asian studies. He maintained that the University of Culture will provide a platform to study various cultures and literatures of the state.
What do you mean by tribals? We are all tribals. We started our life as tribals. Now, what is tribal? What is tribalism? We should know our history. We should know the story of time. Manipur happens to be a powerful thing, projection into it. And I think that Manipur is the right center to start a center of Southeast Asian studies. We will have to find our roots. Roots, you see, a part of our roots, important roots. I may be wrong, I may be correct also.
Members of Royal Riders today presented food articles, sports and stationery items to Rafael Valley and Mantripuke on its 10th Foundation Day. The newly constituted Thadau Kuki Literature Committee TKLC held its first general body meeting today at its temporary office at Lumfelpart to discuss agendas for the development of Thadau Kuki language. SV Getwell Senior Secondary School Bangai today held the 16th annual day celebration. Prizes were distributed to outstanding students of the school on the occasion. And Chauva Devi and Sankar Manthapa of Shillong have won the women's title and men's title respectively at the Republic Day Half Marathon Run. Sports Authority of India today organized Half Marathon Run in 6 different places of India in connection with the Republic Day celebration. North Eastern Regional Centre Sports Authority of India Takhil today organized a half marathon in the state. In women's category, and Chauba Devi of Loang Sangbam claims the title and bag a certificate and a cash prize of 50,000 rupees. MK Minarasi of Yairipok and S. Premila also of Yairipok bagged the 2nd and 3rd place. In men's, Sankar Manthapa of Shillong bagged the 1st place to claim the certificate and 50,000 rupees cash prize. Iqbal Hussain of Lilong Hauroibi and Muhammad Amir Khan of Yairipok came 2nd and 3rd respectively. President of Huyen Lalong Thangta Association, H. Priyokumar, flagged off a team of 104 Manipur players to participate in the 23rd National Thangta Championship 2017 from AOC today. The association in a press release says the team includes 36 sub-junior, 36 junior, 28 senior and 4 officials. Before we end, a quick look at headlines once again. Around 1,000 students take in the longest art competition on free, fair and peaceful election and ethical voting. Speaker Lokeshwar says interest of a community must not jeopardize other communities. Appeals to UNC to end the blockade. MLA Biswajit appeals to BJP supporters not to agitate over unofficial list of candidates. And Chauba Devi and Sankar Manthapa win women's and men's title respectively at Republic Day Half Marathon Run.